Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are doing good and fine. In our day-to-day life, we always use Google search from A to Z. For everything we rely on Google. But actually, we don't know how to search on Google accurately. In this video, we are going to see some special and fabulous tricks for the Google users, that is magic with Google search. Watch the video till the last and apply all the tricks and enjoy. The first magic search is Thanos. Thanos is the special character appeared in Avengers, the Guardians of the Galaxy, Fantastic Four and the X-Men. Earlier, Google caught on the hype train around Avengers Endgame and introduced an Easter egg to the craze as millions witnessed the Marvel superheroes final chapters. Let's see. Go to Google search and type as Thanos. The Infinity Stone gauntlet will appear on the right corner of your computer screen. Click on that. The moment you click on the Thanos gauntlet, the magic begins. You will see all the search results slowly fading away. Also, the Google page will automatically move up and down as the results tabs disappear. You can see the magic. And at the final, Google also displays the reduction in the number of search results at the top. Yeah, you can see the reduction of search results there. Magic number 2, Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz, directed by Victor Fleming in 1939, is based on the novel The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Google created the Easter egg for the 80th anniversary of the Wizard of Oz. Let's see the magic search. Do a Google search, Wizard of Oz. Click. Now, you can see at the right side, red slippers. Click on the red slippers. Now your web browser will turn into a magical color. Now to bring back to the original page again, click on the tornado, which will result in the original page. Yeah. Magic search 3. Now we are going to enter into the jungle world. Animal sounds. Okay, animal sounds, it's such an interesting search option left over in Google. Let's see the magic. Open Google search and type as animal sounds. Click enter. The list of animals and birds will appear. You can see that. Now click on more sounds. If you wish to hear the sound of a particular animal or bird, just make a click on the picture and the particular animal. Okay, now you can feel the different sounds being like in a jungle. And to feel like in jungle, click on all animals one by one and see the magic. The next level of magic search is based on the famous television series Friends. So the Friends is a special recognition series which published on NBC from 1994 to 2004, which lasted for 10 seasons. Google has a special surprise for all the Friends fans. As the hit TV show celebrates its 25th anniversary, Google also joins in it with the Easter egg for each Friends character. Now we are going to see that magic search, what Google has applied for it in the Easter egg for each and every character in the Friends television series. Character number 1 in the Friends series, Phoebe Buffay. Phoebe Buffay was a beloved character and the dramatic tune Smiley Cat became her signature song in the season 2. Go to Google search and type as Phoebe Buffay. Click enter. You can see a guitar emoji pops up. Click on that and now you can hear the beautiful song.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault.
Now the character number 2, Chandler Bing. Google search and type Chandler Bing. Give enter. So on the right side you can see the chair. Click on the chair. Once you click on the chair, the chick and the duck will walk back and forth with Chandler and Jack adopted in the season 2 in Friends series. Character number 3, Rachel Green. At one particular time, this one haircut becomes so famous, that is the Rachel haircut. Go to Google search and type as Rachel Green. Enter. Now you can see at the right side, Google placed an emoji under her biography. So click on that emoji. You will be redirected to the search page where it will be end up with all the Rachel haircut followed throughout the season. Okay, you can see here. Character number 4, Ross Geller, the most intelligent member of that Friends group. So go to Google search and type as Ross Geller. Okay, so under his biopic you can see a sofa. There is a couch, and when you click on that, it screams his famous moving direction in season 5. Double click. Again I am clicking on that. Now the final click.
Okay, I don't think it's going to pivot anymore.
Character number 5, Joy Tribani. Go to Google search and type as Joy Tribani. Okay. Now see the right side, an emoji, a pizza slice emoji will appear under his character biography. Click on the pizza and you will hear that Joy does not share food.
Joey doesn't share food!
The final character in the Friends group, Monica Geller, an absolute clean freak. So go to Google search and type as Monica Geller. Yeah, give enter. Now under her character biography you can see a bucket of soap. Okay, click on the purple bucket and a sponge pops up and appears to scrub the screen clean. Check it. Next option is flip a coin. Flip a coin option is available in Google, tea or coffee, Goa or Manali. To decide more than the action, we need to flip a coin. Maybe this is much more useful when we play cricket. We won't get up with a coin. Hereafter, no need to take the coin along with when playing the cricket. This option works good. The next one is roll a die. Roll a die using Google search is such an awesome option, because when you are in a vacation, if you don't have a die, then you can use this particular option and play it. Go to Google search and type as roll a die. Click enter. Now several shapes with several numbers appear over there, and you can click on the desired shape. If you want one more die, click on the another shape. Now click on the roll. It will roll and end up with some result. Click again, it will roll and find with another result. If you want to remove any shape, click on that particular shape, that will end up in removing that particular. Snake game. Who does not like this game? I am sure that this game is the topmost popular one for the 90s kid. Even now, more number of 3D games are in a row, but when it comes to all-time favorite, Snake game stands first. If you feel missing that, now Google gives a special play option in the Google search, Snake game option. Go to Google search and type as Snake game. Enter. Now the screen will appear. Click on the play button and the window will appear. Now using the arrow keys, you can play this particular game for n number of times. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. Post a command which is your favorite magic Google search. Yeah, stay connected with KIT and Visitalam for more interesting videos in related to science and technology.